Morning. Too many people talking right now. Everybody's talking at once right now. It's on two different streams, but yeah, it's driving me crazy. Meta just had some announcement come out about some settlements with some U.S. states. So I guess some people have already entered that trade. It's up 4%. Now took a big spike 20 minutes ago or so. Oh, you can use X to stream the same thing. Yeah, fruit flies, man. I don't want to go on video long right now. Should take a look at the 60-minute in level 2 pre-market trade. I don't usually trade pre-market. Alright, I guess our watch list is set. Video, I guess SpaceX is Access soon. Why did I already have this on? Stupid. Access soon. Netflix looks like it's strong. Oh my god, here. What's the daily on this look like? Oh wow. Steady trend up. ABC breakout yesterday. Yeah, Netflix looks strong. Maybe we'll look for a pullback at the open. Oh, it's near I3. So yeah, Tesla looks weak. Nvidia looks questionable for long. I think I'm looking for Nvidia long. I'll be watching that. Netflix, we'll be looking for a pullback at the open. If it gives us one, maybe it'll give us an entry. If not, it's already ran too far. Boston Scientific. I don't know this stock. I don't ever trade it. It's gapping down. It's at the VWAP right now. I guess I can tell you what I'm seeing. But I can't look at the daily and the 60 when I do that. So Nvidia, it's down near S3 right now. It did break through it. Which on the 1 and the 5 it looks weak, but on the 60, the 30, and the day, well, I guess the daily, yeah, I guess does look weak too. Maybe it's going to be a fake squeeze up. I don't really know actually. Yeah, I don't have any idea on this one now that I'm closer at it. BSX super weak, sold off this morning, probably had earnings. Tesla, it's right at the 9 on the daily. Tesla is. Looks weak. It's right at S4. Everything looks pretty weak today. A lot of red on the screen. Everything could squeeze at the open, honestly. What's Tesla doing? Atlas. Got a big order at 345. Not that big. 4,000 shares. Meta. Someone's calling me. I'm gonna have to call him back. Meta. Alright, so we're getting close to the open here. I think Nvidia, Meta, oh wow, Nvidia squeezed up already. What's Tesla doing? Tesla broke through the S4. Made too big of a move. Dang. Nvidia actually, now that it made that move, I feel like it's going to be a short. Meta's looking like it's going to be a long right off the bat. I don't know if we should just try it right now because we're going to miss an entry. This thing's going to skyrocket. Yeah, I'm just going to 560 to 590. Yeah, it might go in every direction and try to stop people out. Alright, we got some volume coming into the market. Nvidia, look at that. It's dumping. Past S3 now. Never came down to the other S3. Alright, let's get in to trading mode here. What are we thinking? At 1, 2, KSS, Zoom, Netflix. I think we're gonna have to watch Nvidia, Meta, and this. Strategy. Tesla and Nvidia are down there. Maybe Tesla we're watching. Oh, Tesla looks super weak. That is gonna be. Alright, we got about 20, 35 seconds to open. Got to screenshots. Alright. Alright, here we go. 15 seconds to the open. Meta's pulling back. Nvidia, I think Meta is gonna go. I don't usually enter this early, but I think it's gonna go. I'm probably gonna. Selling off right now. Nvidia's squeezing up. I think Meta's gonna go. I want to get in. I took a small position on Meta. But it's not. Uh-oh. Damn it. Alright, I took a. That's why I don't enter in the first 1 minute candle. Alright, we're gonna watch Meta on this screen so you guys can see it. Nvidia, Tesla's selling off. What does Nvidia look like? Yeah, there goes Nvidia squeezing Tesla. What's Tesla doing? I'm still thinking Meta is it gonna sell off? I don't know. is going. Tons of orders to the upside. Wow. Alright, let's check right up. Alright, we're gonna try that. Let's try one more. Damn. I had a tight stop on that one. I tricked a lot of people there. Yeah. Yeah. 220. It's got heat. Oh, that's way up there. That ain't even in play. 215. Looking like 212. It might comes through 212. That's a breakthrough pre-market low. So this is actually Nvidia looks like a short. It's just too choppy. I don't think I'll take that. What else is going? Zoom took off. Alright, I took a short on Nvidia. To take a short on Nvidia. See how far it can run. I took one small partial. Alright, I'm going to partial again. Nvidia. I'll reset when I stop at break even. Meta 210 would be a nice target. It's Meta doing 580, 579. It hits 579. This is where it was. Ooh, wow. Ooh, wow. Meta got absolutely worked. So let's see. KSS closes looking weak. I don't like it. Not that much volume on it. Netflix looks weak. Came up to R3 before pre-market. Gonna be looking for maybe some, I don't know, about Netflix. Meta's looking like it might be switching. No, never mind. Nvidia is gonna come up and stop me. I still got some big orders to the downside. Netflix looking like a 5-minute engulfing down. Does it look like on the no, I don't know. I missed it. Did I miss it or should I try it now? I missed it. I'm not gonna chase it. And close. Meta's selling off hard. Tesla looks like it could do a 5-minute engulfing. I'm gonna try Tesla long. We can break through VWAP and hold right here. So still got a big order down there, but we're gonna take 343.62 off. What else am I in? Nvidia, Tesla. Alright, let's see what Tesla can do here at VWAP. It'll be a 5-minute engulfing. It can buy up through this. Nice, that's what we like to see. I'm gonna hold this one for a while. I'm gonna see if it can squeeze. Alright, take a partial. We're gonna partial at 2R if we can get to it, which it just did. Alright. Let it run. Partial again if it goes through S4, because that's a spot of support and resistance. Now we're just gonna hold it. See if this can run. Nvidia is going to come and stop me out, because this is what Nvidia does. By squeezing up. Yep, Nvidia just stopped me out. Tesla could be my saving grace here if it can run. Nvidia could also be a long now. I can't chase it here. What's Meta doing? Meta's way down still. Oh, Tesla, thank you. Alright, Tesla, run some more. Nvidia. Tesla could squeeze more. 350. Maybe we're waiting for 350 now. I don't know. I'm really pumped about that entry on Tesla. Came down, found support at S5, bounced around, bunch of bottom side wicks. The 5 was starting to look like it was going to try to engulf, which was this. You know, the safer trade is probably the break of this wick. Put your stop below VWAP once this candle breaks here. But I was assuming this was going to squeeze up. And I saw the pullback here. Entered with the stop right below orange VWAP. First partial at 2R. Hopefully it goes. Might come down and stop me. What are people trading? And 12. What else we got? Tesla's squeezing. Tesla's gonna go to 350. I'm just gonna. I gotta take partials, man. Alright, 50. Another one. These are all 10% partials. I gotta lock in profits. I can't just let it run. My trading doesn't usually work. Again, that's something I'm working on. It's patience. Let your winners run. Maybe I should let this run to 348, 348. 349. It keeps running. Trade it. Yesterday's low and 2 days ago low. So we took a couple partials there. And it looks like it's rejecting that. So let's see where it can go. I think it might go to 350. If it does, I'm going to take a larger partial there just because I'm trying to get back to break even still. I got chewed up and spit out by Meta. MicroStrategy's going. Alright, 350. Come on. Squeeze. Should go. This isn't definitely going to be an area of resistance. With the last couple days low. Alright, it went. Maybe I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna take 10%. 350 go. Nice. Alright. Now we just let it run. Let's see where this thing can run. We're above break even on the actually. Alright, now we let it run. Maybe it could excuse me, maybe it could go and run to yesterday's high or even higher than that. I'm pumped with this trade. I'm not gonna lie. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. If it goes to R3, came from S6. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna hold. See if this thing can run. Nvidia squeezed up. Meta is looking like it might have found a bottom. 60. I wouldn't trust any trade on that. I thought this thing was gonna go. Alright. See if Tesla can go for us. I'm up 3R on this Tesla trade right. Well, it's actually up 6R, but I've took my profits for 3R. If it hits R3, man, so I can share that. And so on R3 Tesla 4 4. Just gonna hold. Meta. Maybe what do we got on 570 calls for the 28th. 570. We're at $8 right now. 570 for today. We're about 580. Try it. I don't think I have my hotkeys set up right on that. When I think about it. And so I'm just gonna hold Tesla. See if Meta did find a bottom or not. I took a couple Meta calls to see if it did find a bottom here. May not have been the best trade. What did I get it at? $1.25. $1.25. So I only put 250 into it. Alright, so Tesla doesn't want to run. Meta, I think it found a bottom. I think it could go up from here. I got some August 26th, 580 calls, so 0 day. This is the bottom. That'd be great. Alright, we need it to move fast. I'm another time. Ah, I have my options hotkey set on too, so not exactly. I think I'm gonna have to get stopped out of Meta, this option trade. Oh, I can't believe Meta sold all the way down to previous day's close after that run up. Let's see if it squeezes. Not squeezes, but that's decent news. Pretty big payout. Yeah, I might have to get up. Second ABCD on the 5, ABCD down. Yeah, I'm up. Oh well. Guess SpaceX is running. Why is it running? Missed it. SpaceX is going. Meta, man. Try one more on Meta. I am over trading Meta. Everything's running long here. Got what? And 12 was my entry this time. Come on, Meta. It doesn't want to go, does it? Here we go, Meta. I needed to run to get my losses back out of it. 70, 50, it's rejecting yesterday's high as a resistance level. Oh man. I don't know why am I trading options on this? What's the point of that? Couple minutes till we gotta switch to work mode here. Hopefully it can make a move for me. Tesla one, that was the trade of the day. Meta was not. Excuse me. Alright. So our first target on this Meta, I only have 2 contracts, but I suppose if it see if we can run to double. What screen they're on here? I'm gonna hold this Meta and see if it can. Oh shoot. Alright, it's 10 o'clock. I am going to continue holding these positions. See if Meta can push through. Excuse me. See if Meta can squeeze now. It's got a bunch of orders to the top side. This is where it could run. That'd be great if it did go. I might just say I sold one of my contracts. I'm gonna hold the rest. I made the losses back on the options contract, and the Tesla. I'm just gonna hold Tesla because I was kicking myself the other day for not holding it. I can show you this options trade on Meta. It might not show up very well on here, but basically well, let me contract in. Uh-oh. I don't want to do my hotkeys on accident. For some reason it didn't copy. Beep. Here. So you can see I got in right here when I thought it had bottomed, stopped out, got in when it broke that candle back up, took one partial, and now I have one contract. If this thing can go, I'll probably try to hold to like $4. Be a nice little win on that one. And then that's what's it doing? Just gotta hold. Alright guys, I'm out. I gotta get to work. Thanks for watching.